good, Backyard Barbecues and Barbecuettes, man? This your boy, Mr. B from Backyard Barbecue, man. We are live and direct. I am in the lab, as y'all can see. You probably can't see nothing, but what's behind me is a couple of my monitors. Hell, one of them don't even work, but I'll figure that out. Long story short, we here to talk about my new website. I'm gonna go over it real quick with you guys. I'm not gonna try to keep you long. Feel free to go over, critique it, tell me what you like, what you don't like. We building this together. We're gonna talk about a plethora of things on there. Plethora. But anyway, we're gonna go over a bunch of stuff that's on there, man. I even got this doggone microphone, which I can't stand, but we're gonna make it work, right? It's swivel in and out and all that, go up and down. I don't care about all that, right? All I care about is the content and getting to these cooks. But anyway, check it out. All right, we're gonna start with the page. So bear with me as I'm using this technology, this new technology, and I'm switching screens, right? So I got a screen over here, I'm pointing to my right and to my left, and then I got a camera right in the middle, right in my face. All right, here we go. All right, let's go. All right, on my home page, I'm gonna go to the home page right here. Here's the home page when you go to www.backyardbbqr.com. All right. In a nutshell, the first thing you see is you can see watch the latest video. If you click that, it's gonna take you to a video. Right now, this is my last video I uploaded, as in content. But what's gonna happen is, as soon as I upload this, I'm gonna change that. So you'll see this particular video, the thumbnail I put up there, on there, right? So let's go back to the home page. It's gonna talk about all this wonderful stuff I've been doing for 30 plus years, all these free guides. We're gonna get to that in a minute. But here's the most important thing on this homepage: the steps for any and everybody, no matter what level you at. Here's what I want you to do. First, I want you to watch the video that I upload. Then I want you to download the free guide. It's gonna talk about, hit some pointers, talk about the topics that I talk about in the video, y'all. That's key, because everything I do is talking about my videos. Anything I see in the videos is probably gonna be in that guide or either in the premium. And I'll get to that in a minute, right? Once you read that, you gotta you comprehend what's in there. If you say, you know what, I need more, or this particular video here, I need what's in there. I need more ingredients. I need more depth on this. You can go and check out my premium guides, right? So I'm gonna show you that in a minute too as well. Then if you say, you know what, I like what this dude doing, let me sign up for the newsletter right here. And I'm gonna show you that as well. And last but not least, you know I hit you with the don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna hit you with the come on back, folks. Come back next week, I'm uploading another video. All right? So that's the genesis of this. All this other wonderful stuff are links to different things, but you can go to them at the top, right? So when I hit start here, this is critical, right? This is for anybody. I don't care who you are, because the basics are the basics, fundamentals, right? I got tabs on here for fundamentals. You see I got fire management, smoker setup, no matter what kind of smoker. I got a Kettle grill, Kamado, offset smoker, all of that, right? Let's use a Kettle grill. You click on the Kettle grill, any kind of Kettle grill you got, this is gonna be the basics. Talking about the learner steps, all of that. This is all stuff I've been doing like 2 a.m. while y'all sleeping or watching somebody else YouTube. This is me creating content so you can watch my YouTube, right? But no, seriously, I want us to all be tremendous backyard pit cooks, and be the face of the neighborhood when we talking noise, no matter where you at. Bragging rights, right, amongst the fellas. You go here, fundamentals. I got heat zones, basics on wood, rubs and seasonings. You can click that, get a quick lesson on that. Just different basic fundamentals. All this free, y'all. All this free to y'all. Anything I put on here is gonna be majority of the content is gonna be free. It's stuff I learned, stuff I continue to gain from other people as I learn more stuff, because you can never know everything. And you go from there. So feel free to browse. All right, now let's go to Pitmaster videos. All right, Pitmaster videos again. The latest video will always be located right here. All of my playlists just go straight back. All this is a pointer to YouTube, right? If you want to look at the beef, right? Anything dealing with beef, you click on this playlist, and I've basically erased everything I had before as far as playlists, because it was really terrible. I'm gonna be honest with my own self, right? And I'm rebuilding, right? So as I continue to add stuff onto my playlist on YouTube, you will see it fall in there. You can even do a search. Let me close this real quick. You can even do a search in here. So here, I got a little search bar. You can search all the playlists for different titles. No need to search because I'm only gonna leave it with these 8 right here. I feel like if you get past 8 playlists, then you getting into crazy territory when it comes to just the overall architect of backyard barbecue. All right, I'm not gonna talk too much about that. Critical recipes, right? And this, remember I told you what? This is not just about me. I'm building a brand of backyard barbecue cooks everywhere, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I think, right now I got beef, pork, poultry, sides, quick meals. I think I might add one. Y'all comment below, DM me. I'll show you the contact so you can get to me without posting your conversation to everybody for the public to see. And I promise you I won't put you out there. All right, but like I was saying, I might put one on here and just call it the community page. I don't know. I do have a lot of space on here right now, so I have the capability of expanding. Y'all don't understand how hard it is to make web pages, so bear with me, man, as I create new content and stay up later than ever. Hell, I think it's maybe 1 something in the morning now trying to get some content to y'all. That's how dedicated I am to having fun and doing this craft, right? Again, recipes, right? If you go into let's do pork. If you go in here, I got currently right now pulled pork. If you click this recipe, it's gonna tell you right here how many people it served, what level you need to be at, the temps on your grill, the time it takes to do all of this, and it gives you the prep and everything. That's without looking at a video. If you don't want to look at my beautiful face for the next 15 to 30 minutes, because that's what I'm gonna do, talk to you. You got quick meals on here. As I continue to add, as I continue to load stuff in here, you'll see this. You'll probably see 5 or 6 in here, 10, 15, who knows. Then it'll get to a point where you can do a search, right? So if you're looking for a ribeye, see, once you type, it narrows it down. So if you got a quick meal that you're looking for, put it in the search. It might be there. As this builds and you start to see maybe 100 or 200 different items in there. All right. Now let's go to free guides. Here's where it get good and greasy. All right. All my guides are free. The free ones. Right. Every video I put some decent content in, and I feel like I can go more in depth and give you guys something. People that can't watch the videos at work, you can print some stuff out, take it on the road with you. I might even do an audio version. I ain't thought about that. Y'all let me know if you want to see that. Y'all truckers out there, people on the go, can't look at the phone and look at the video, whatever. Can't have your phone on you, but you can listen to the video. I might even do an audio version of each one of them. All right, but the free guys, right? All you do is come here, and this big picture here will always be the latest video or the latest one, right? Click on this free guide, and it'll pop up with a download. Right? You save it somewhere, and boom, you're good. And you go down here, this is my archive. This will be all of my other things. So if you want to look for brisket, you can even search the guides. I got a search over here. Try to make it as simple as possible for you to find exactly what you're doing when you find out you got that big cook 2 days before, and you're like, man, what's going on around here? When you're talking to the missus, right? Like how I get set up like this, right? You click on that download guide, bam, it pop up. All right, feel free to browse. Promise I ain't gonna keep you long. Premium guide tab. Here's where it get good and greasy, right? Now this one I went in depth. You're probably gonna get no less than 12 to 15 pages of straight content off the conversation I talk about on a video. So if you missed the video and ain't got time, but you like to read, or you got an app, one of them little funny AI apps that can speed read for you and summarize it, feel free to take it, right? However, I can't give it to you for free because it take me too long to do this type of stuff, right? I need some form of revenue to generate to put back into the business, right? If not, I'm just crazy staying up at 1 or 2 o'clock. But anyway, right now, as you can see, the typical charge probably no more than $2 to $7. I think it is $2.99 to $7.99. I think that's the algorithm that's set up in here or whatnot. It depends on the depth of the cook. You can see this is a 3-day Memorial Day cook, and this is $4.99, right? But you're gonna get, again, you can download it right now for free. You click on it, bam, pops up and you save it. Now, once this time frame is over, I may extend it just because I want to release this on June 1st, just to give you a full 30 days. Right now, I only have 2 guys in here. I think in a week or so, I'm gonna add another one. But the guy's gonna build, right? So you have a whole list of things you can buy. A year from now, you probably have 50 guys in. It's gonna get big. So you can do a search on whatever you're looking for. July 4th, I'm gonna label them simple so you can do a search for them. Memorial Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, all the above, Turkey, all of that. I'm gonna make it simple for you. Feel free to contribute to bless the organization so that I can put back into it. I'm a one-man show, right? I love to employ some other people to help me out with this. So I ain't gotta stay up all night. But anyway, that's what that's gonna be right now. But for right now, it's gonna be free. I'll probably keep it free until I at least get 4 guys in there, 4 complete premium guys. So stay tuned for that. Keep me honest when I say that, right? Then after that, I'm gonna go back, and then when you click on it now, you'll see the price, and it'll take you to the wonderful world of buying stuff on the internet, right? You know how that go. Next, newsletter. Sign up. It's free, man. It's free to y'all, but it costs me, right? I get a few free web addresses when it first signs up, but after a certain amount, I think it's $250 or whatever the website I'm using on the back end to do this. But I create newsletters, man. Every time I do something, I create a newsletter, and I will upload that. You'll get it in your email first, right? So if you up at 4:30 in the morning like me, stay tuned, because I'm going to let you into my life now. Y'all going to see some other things y'all didn't know about skinny fat boy over here, right? And I'll show you who that is. Might even get a glimpse tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, just sign up. Put your email in there. Type your email address. You can see one of my email addresses on here. But hit join, and you join for free, right? Boom, it's come to your email. Might go to your spam. But make sure you check. If you don't, hit me up, which leads on to one of my other tabs, right? I'm gonna skip the about right now. I'm gonna go to the contact page, right? The contact page, this is pretty boy Floyd right here. Throwing up the deuces, y'all already know. Don't forget to like, comment, holler. That's me right there. Always throwing up the deuces, man. Number peace and love, spreading holiday chill every day of the year if I can, right? And just basic knowledge. Just talk about me, how I got started. You can click here and learn more about your boy, and where I'm at and how I'm trying to take this thing to the next level. Then I'm gonna go to the contact page here. We are talking about these 5 social medias, right? I got the TikTok, X, Twitter, right? Because I'm still old school. Facebook, what is that? Instagram, TikTok. You click on, it'll take you to my page, right? If you don't want to come in and open, you can email me at this email right here, backyardbbqr@gmail.com. I will try my best to answer as many, if not all, emails if you email me. Understand that it's one of me, and I'm talking to the world. Right now, you got my audience. My boy from Charlotte, North Carolina, hit me up. We talked for about an hour one day. Hey, shout out to my boy. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna say nothing. Stay tuned. I got something coming for y'all with him. But no, I got some things coming, man. These just people I meet, man. Love to meet people, love to network, because I feel like you one person away from being a different you. And I'm talking about being in a good space where you meet good friends, good fellowship, and good contacts, good networking. All of that right there. You one person away, man. You never who that person is. So I try my best not to discourage or dislike people unless you show me that you don't care for the person I am. Once I find that out, I don't have the time of day to waste my time talking to you. And people know that. I give you the shirt off my back until you show me that you don't want to give me my shirt back. You know who y'all are. Anyway, this your boy, Mr. B, right? Yeah, don't forget, comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Review my video, man. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what I can do better. Tell me what you can help me do better, right? Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll let your boy. We here.